Your engine's performance can collapse from a part no bigger than a coin, the fuel injector. When it clogs, fuel delivery becomes uneven, and your engine begins to stumble, surge, or misfire with no warning. Both gasoline and diesel engines rely on precise injector spray patterns, and even slight blockages can quietly destroy efficiency, power, and emissions. In this video, you'll learn 7 critical signs of a clogged injector and exactly how to fix each one before it causes major damage. If you spot even 2 of these symptoms together, it's a red flag you can't afford to ignore. Let's break them down, starting with the most severe. Number 1. Rough or unsteady idle. If an injector is partially blocked, the engine may not get the right fuel when idling. You might feel the car shaking or vibrating at a stop, or hear the RPM needle jump unexpectedly. In diesel vehicles, a clogged injector often causes the RPM to drop and fluctuate at idle, sometimes even stalling the engine. In gasoline cars, the idle may sound rough or low, and may trigger an idle control correction because the air-fuel mixture is off. Any new roughness or shuddering at idle, especially if it wasn't there before, is a red flag. Number 2. Engine misfires or hesitation. A clogged injector disrupts the fuel spray, so one cylinder may not fire correctly. This shows up as misfires, stumbling, or hesitation when you press the gas pedal. In practice, the engine may feel like it surges or hesitates between gears, or momentarily bogs down under acceleration. The check engine light may also come on for a misfire, P03XX code. Both gasoline and diesel engines will exhibit this symptom. One or more cylinders misfire because they aren't getting enough fuel. Number 3. Difficulty starting or engine stalling. If a clogged injector can't deliver fuel properly, the engine may struggle to start or may stall unexpectedly. You might need extra cranks to fire up the engine, or it may crank but fail to turn over if the fuel isn't reaching the combustion chamber. In some cases, the vehicle will start but then stall out at idle, especially if the engine computer cuts fuel when it senses a lean condition. Diesels in particular often refuse to start at all if the injectors can't deliver fuel under compression. New stalling or hard start issues, especially in combination with other symptoms, often trace back to fuel delivery problems. Number 4. Loss of power and poor acceleration. When a fuel injector is clogged, the affected cylinder receives less fuel than needed, so the engine produces less power. You'll notice reduced acceleration and sluggish performance, especially under load, like climbing a hill or towing. The engine may feel weak or flat, even though other components are fine. The check engine unit may command extra fuel to compensate, but if the injector is blocked, it can't keep up, and overall horsepower drops. Both gasoline and diesel engines will lose performance when injectors misbehave. Number 5. Poor fuel economy. Paradoxically, a clogged injector can cause worse fuel mileage. This happens because the engine control system senses the lean running condition and tries to compensate by enriching the mixture, or because cylinders are misfiring and wasting fuel. If you suddenly find yourself filling up more often, and you've ruled out other causes, faulty injectors could be at fault. In a diesel truck, for example, forcing the engine to overwork with a clogged injector will burn more fuel overall. In gasoline cars, the long-term fuel trim in diagnostics may go out of range. Either way, sustained poor gas mileage is a common symptom of injector issues. Number 6. Fuel odors or visible leaks. A clogged injector or a failing injector seal can cause fuel to leak. You might smell raw fuel inside the cabin or around the engine bay, or even see wet spots or stains on the injector body or fuel rail. On a diesel engine, smell unburned diesel fumes or spot diesel droplets near the injectors. These leaks occur because debris can prevent the injector from seating properly, or the internal seal wears out. Any new fuel odor, particularly when the car's running, indicates fuel isn't all reaching the combustion chamber and should prompt an inspection of injectors and fuel lines. Number 7. Unusual exhaust. Smoke or warning lights. A clogged injector alters the combustion process, which can increase exhaust emissions. In diesels, one telltale sign is thick black smoke or soot out the tailpipe, indicating incomplete combustion of fuel. Air filter issues can also cause this, but dirty injectors are a prime culprit. In gasoline engines, excessive emissions often light up the check engine lamp. The ECU may detect rich or lean conditions or misfires and trigger a fault. If you see black smoke on a diesel or get an emissions-related warning on a petrol car, clogged injectors could be to blame. Professional fixes and maintenance tips. If you suspect a clogged injector, professional service is usually required. A technician will typically remove and inspect the injectors. Mild clogs might be resolved with a fuel rail flush or a pressurized on-engine cleaning system, but heavily clogged injectors often need an ultrasonic cleaning or bench flow cleaning off the vehicle. In the worst case, replacement is safest. It's important to know that simply pouring a bottle of fuel injector cleaner into the tank won't clear a true clog. These additives cannot reach the interior of a blocked injector valve and may even push debris further inside. Key fixes and prevention include injector cleaning or replacement. Have a qualified shop clean injectors with proper equipment or replace failed units. Cleaning services will test injector flow to ensure proper spray once cleared. Flush fuel system. After cleaning injectors, the fuel rails and lines should be flushed to remove dislodged deposits. Any debris in the rail can cause a new clog if not removed. Replace fuel filters regularly. Since filters trap most contaminants, keeping them fresh helps prevent injector clogs. Even so, very fine particles or varnish can slip past a clogged or old filter, so use quality filters and change them per the maintenance schedule. Use clean fuel and additives. Cautiously, fill up at reputable stations. Fuel stabilizers or deposit control additives can help keep injectors clean, but they're not a cure-all for a blockage. Always follow manufacturer recommendations. Diesel-specific care. For diesel engines, ensure the water separator is drained regularly. Also, use diesel injector cleaner additives designed for high-pressure systems if needed.